So, TikTok UGC AI ads. I'm going to show you how to make it as quick as possible. I'm going to use this as an example, grenade teen shake, as I've seen this on TikTok. Save the image, open it up in here. Right, there we go. Then we want to edit image, select. We will be doing 9:16 and we will use Nano Banana 2. An athletic male standing in the kitchen wearing Nike gym wear, fit mid-20s, holding the teen bag, which is 2 kg size. Right, let's see how that comes out. The reason I've mentioned 2 kg size is because I want it to understand the sizing of the product. And if this doesn't come out right, I've got another way. Perfect. That looks brilliant. Look at that. Right, now what we're going to do is we are going to go to workflows. So we go to workflows, image to video, seed dance 1.5, 10 seconds, 9:16, 1080p, audio, select the image. The male says in a British accent, "Have you seen the deal on these grenade protein shakes? Just look at my great gains from it. Click the yellow box below to shop." The camera is static generate. So here we go.
Have you seen the deal on these grenade protein shakes? Just look at my gains from it. Click the yellow box below to shop.
There we go. It's as simple as that.
Have you seen the deal on these grenade protein shakes?